Hello. Today we'll be studying the topic called clock. This is another topic which is asked in aptitude exams. So in this concept, generally the questions are asked like question will be like to find the angle between RN and minute and for a given particular time. Or the question can be like the angle will be given between RN and minute and they will ask you to find the times. Okay, so for this let's begin the concept. As we know that, okay, 1 hour hand takes 12 hours to complete 360 degree. Okay, so in 1 hour it will be completing 30 degree. So that is 60, in 60 minutes it will be completing 30 degree. So in 1 minute R end will be covering 30 by 60 degree, that is half degree. And for 1 minute hand it covers in 1 hour complete revolution it does, that is 360 degree. So in that is in 60 minute hand is covering 360 degree. So in 1 minute hand is covering 6 degree. Okay, so if you see here between any particular hour, you see there will be 5 steps. So if you're taking the perspective of minute hand, so in 1 minute you can see for minute hand it will be like a 5 minute. Okay, so each 5 minute is there, that will be covering each 1 minute will be of 6 degrees, so this much range will be of 30 degree. Okay, so each 1 hour range, if you take in the perspective of Rn, so it is a 30 degree. Okay, so R end in 1 minute will be covering one, will be moving 1.5 degree, half degree, and minute hand will be moving 6 degree. Okay, so if you see, for there is a relative gain of minute hand over the R end. How much is the relative gain? You can see uh, minute hand is taking 5.5 relative gain, 5.5 degree relative gain. Okay, so for this relative gain, if you see, for 5.5 relative gain, minute hand is moving 6 degree. Okay, in order to get the 5.5 relative gain, minute hand has to move 6 degree. Okay, moves 6 degree. Okay, so in order to that, we can write like this also, 11/2. For relative gain of 11/2, minute hand has to go 6 degree. So for relative gain of 1, minute hand has to go 12/11 degree. Okay, so taking into this account, if we say, if we try to form a table, let's say um, how many times uh, minute hand and Rn are coinciding. Let's say we'll be taking a coincidence. How many time it the angle between minute hand and R hand is right angle, and it could be possible that how many times the minute hand and R hand are opposite. Okay, so we'll say in 12-hour range, in 24-hour range. So you can see, if I take this R and minute hand, let's say right now it's coinciding. So if you rotate it like this, so at multiple point of time, let's say right now it's 1 o'clock, uh, it is R end and it is minute hand, it will rotate and it will coincide over a particular time. So for coincidence, in 12-hour range, uh, minute hand and r end will be coinciding 11 times, and in 12-hour range right hand and minute hand and r end will be at 90 degree with each other for 22 times, and in 12-hour range the they will be opposite to each other 11 times. So in 24 hour we'll double it, so it will be 22 times, it will be 44 times, it will be 22 times. So there could be a direct question also that okay, how many times in 24 hours there's a 90 degree angle between minute hand and r end, so you can say 44. So taking into account that which we found that for relative gain of 1, minute hand has to go 12 by 11 degree. So now there could be a question that okay, um, um, yeah, you will be given an angle, let's say 40 degree, and you have to find that okay, at what time between 4 uh, p.m. to 5 p.m. The minute and hour and are making angle 40 degree. Okay, for this question let's solve. So there is a formula like this: 5x plus minus d by 6 degree into 12 by 11. Okay, so let's say you have to put value of x is the starting one and this is x plus 1. So in this formula you will be putting as 4, 5 into 4 plus minus, and in place of d you have to put the angle value, that is in between time 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. at what time the this angle minute and right r end are making 40 degree with respect to each other. So we'll be putting 40 by 6. Okay, it's a multiplication 12 by 11. So 20 plus minus you can say 20 by 3 into 12 by 11. So if you solve it you'll be getting as 80 by 3 into 12 by 11 one value, and second value you can say 40 by 3 into 12 by 11. So you can simplify it also here, 4 it's like 320 by 11, 160 by 11. You can solve it like this: 2, 9, 1 by 11. Okay, 1, 4, 6 by 11. So we are getting two timing, that is between 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. at 4:29 1 by 11 time, and at 4:14 6 by 11 time the angle between the r and a minute hand will be 40 degree. Okay, so we got a formula like this, that let's revise once, that okay, you have to remember this table, that okay, how many times these are the standard ones, that okay, how many times it is coinciding, how many times the angle between them is 90 degree, how many times they are opposite, and the standard formula is 5x plus minus d by 6 into 12 by 11.